If you're thinking about using Digideck for Ministries, there are 12 things you should know before making a purchase. In this video, we'll take a quick, honest look at what it offers compared to its competitors, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your church management needs. First off, Digideck is designed to streamline your church's communication and administration, providing tools for event management, member tracking, and financial reporting. But before you rush to buy, keep in mind that while it's a solid option, there are some factors to consider. Next thing to know, Digideck has a user-friendly interface, but its learning curve might still be steep for some users, especially if you're switching from another software. The layout is clean, but if you're used to platforms with more intuitive setups, this could take a bit of time to get the hang of. Competitors like Church Community Builder have a reputation for smoother onboarding, which could be worth considering. The third thing is its pricing model. Digideck isn't the cheapest on the market. While it offers robust features, some ministries might find that other platforms like Planning Center or Breeze offer more flexible pricing for smaller churches. If you're a larger ministry, Digideck's pricing structure could still be competitive, but for smaller organizations, it might feel a bit costly. The fourth thing to consider is its integration with other platforms. Digideck does integrate with many popular tools, but not all the integrations are as seamless as those offered by platforms like Tithe.li, which is known for its smooth financial integrations. If you rely heavily on syncing data with other software, make sure to test it out with Digideck first. Another important point is the customer support. While Digideck provides support, some users report slower response times, especially compared to competitors like ChurchTrack, which has a reputation for quick, helpful responses. If responsive support is crucial for your ministry, this could be a downside. The sixth thing to know is its mobile app. Digideck's mobile app works well for basic tasks, but it's not as feature-rich or polished as apps from companies like Planning Center. If your team members are often on the go, this might be a consideration. The seventh thing is its reporting features. Digideck offers basic financial and attendance reports, but it doesn't quite match the depth of reporting offered by competitors like ACS Technologies, which specializes in comprehensive financial and membership reports. If reporting is a key focus for you, you might want to compare these in more detail. Next thing to think about is scalability. Digideck works well for small to mid-sized ministries, but larger churches may find its features somewhat limiting when compared to more enterprise-focused solutions like Fellowship One, which offers more advanced features for larger organizations. The ninth thing to keep in mind is data security. Digideck is generally reliable, but its security protocols aren't as robust as some competitors like Church 360, which places a strong emphasis on data protection. For ministries that handle sensitive member information, ensure Digideck meets your security standards. Another point is the community and resource support. While Digideck offers some tutorials and online resources, the user community isn't as active or extensive as platforms like Breeze or Church Suite, which offer vibrant user forums and a wealth of shared knowledge. The 11th thing to know is its customization options. Digideck offers some degree of customization for your church's needs, but it doesn't allow the level of flexibility that you might get with platforms like Shelby Systems. If your church needs a highly personalized setup, this could be a limitation. Finally, the 12th thing to consider is the free trial. Digideck offers a free trial, which is great for testing the software before you fully commit. However, other platforms like Tithe.li offer more extended trial periods with more features, so you may want to take that into account if you need more time to explore the system. Overall, Digideck is a solid choice for many ministries, especially if you're looking for streamlined church management. However, if you're looking for a better option that might suit your church's needs more effectively, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.